guys, we're gonna be playing with my duo Phoenix. So in the last video I got this and I basically just used I did the video using melee weapon only. And so today we're gonna be using my duo Phoenix. So let's get into it. And by the way, I'm playing ranked so I can level up, and right now you can see I have a Pro 3, and I want to go through all the way to Master. I'm gonna do Diesel. Boom! I hate hijack because there's a lot of campers. Yo, whatever. This is good. Oh yeah, this was in the last year. I really like that skin, the vampire one, because I didn't get it because at that point I didn't have club points. Now I do. I'm gonna get on my. If I keep on dying, I'm just gonna use my. The Xavier skin was picking out the flipping friend. Let's see.
Enemy in sight. Reloading. Tied for the lead.
No. IRC is actually a good gun, I'll say. That's a pretty good dang gun.
It's too close. Fight harder. We lost the lead.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get on my sniper. This man is just camping straight up.
Tango.
And I hate campers.
Targets in sight.
No!
Enemy contact.
Bro, how did you get away? How did he get away?
Enemy
That they opened this area back up because they covered it up and then they just opened it up back up. I was like, bro, what? I don't know. I didn't even do that. I never knew I'm camping up here. Oh, that's surprising.
Contact with enemy.
I'm kidding. Well, stop camping.
I got shot. Tango here.
As soon as I see this person, bro. What? Oh my god. Bro, these people are actually good. Yeah. I haven't played Ringman in a while. I'm gonna stop for this though. I wanna make sure he's safe. Yeah, he's safe.
Targets in sight. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm not the lead down.
Enemy contact!
Bro! This freaking dog. I hate the canine, bro. You know we're getting in our base and freaking. I'm not gonna justify.
Contact with enemy!
Nothing more.
Targets in sight. Enemy in sight.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Contact with it.
Pick it up, team.
I got him. Oh, someone's in my trap. Someone's in my trap. Someone's there. What? I just saw him and he just killed me immediately.
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Enemy in sight.
Hunter-killer drone
God.
deployed.
Oh, so it shows them now? It shows them? Bro, I knew him, bro. If you're playing like, if you're actually playing Diesel, bro, I would be actually saying I really most of my favorites. So this was my basic double Fernic, but I didn't really use it, bro, because I think I'm good for sniping, but for hijack, I hate hijack. That's why I hate hijack. There's no point of going there because there's like no spots.
Mission failed.
Well, my
Better
rank
next
didn't go
time.
down because I had a rank shield. I have a shield card that you can buy from the Surface Warfare. Well, let's see you in tomorrow, probably, if I can, probably record because I have a lot of things going on. So, bye.